Sitting on the back porch in the shade of the afternoon, listening to the river finding its way to the blue lagoon.
Still fighting. There he goes.
All right.
That's what I'm talking about.
Get his head up.
Oh, Lipton, look at that. Look at that guy. Look at that guy. Holy cow.
Okay, now go net him. Yep.
That's another big one. Look at that guy. Look at that guy.
Why don't you say hi to Bryce?
Hey, Bryce. Hey. See that? You see that? Yeah, that's right. You're sitting at home doing a thesis.
Woo. Next year, buddy. Next year.
The clouds overhead are moving along their way. Soon we'll see the moon.
This is Gene. Literally like 2 seconds after I caught my first.
You got a good sized rainbow on here, buddy.
You got a rainbow?
Oh yeah.
Catching browns, catching rainbows.
Get him over into the quieter water.
Get him into the quieter water. I probably should have moved my pole, so watch out for it. Ooh, she's a beauty. Clint, that one is huge. Oh my gosh. Come on, Gene. Oh my gosh. Look at the size of this guy.
He barely fits in my net.
See that guy? Get this. Holy cow.
Yeah.
Clint, comments?
Well, you know, this is not the year to be in Germany right now. This is the year of the trout.
The end of another day. Are you sitting on the back porch listening to the river?
There he is. What do we got? We got a brown or a rainbow?
Rainbow.
Yeah, she's a rainbow, all right. You're gonna need to get a lot more line. He's like 30 feet away.
Wow, look closer.
There you go. All right.
Look at that guy. Look at that guy. That's huge. Oh my gosh.
Thoughts?
That was a good fight. I was kind of scared at first that he was gonna take off into the big riffles, but he cooperated, and I don't even have. He's so nice to me that he already spit the fly out. It's sitting in my neck.
Now the nice thing about this is that we're using terrestrial flies, so they're big
Terrestrial.
flies. We got
Take a look.
hoppers, crickets, a thing called a triple double, which is a big fly, and we're having a good time.
Clouds away for another day. sitting in a crowded room, gazing somewhere off in space.
Fishing has been delayed some. We're experiencing a bit of a downpour. Scotty fell in the river.
I'm all wet.
And we got a good rain cover for the back there. Got a little tree cover here, so I'm not getting quite as wet. Doesn't look as bad as it is.
With a smile upon your face. Nobody knows where you are, they're just talking around. Finding the peace in your mind is a wonderful sound. Are you sitting in the back porch with a smile on your face? Are you pushing the clouds away, finding peace in your mind? Sitting on the back porch, pushing the clouds away.
I can't think of a more beautiful sight. This, not so much. But this, yes.
Beau has blessed us with his bounteous blessings.
The great thing about sleeping in the truck on these trips is you can go anywhere. You just park the car and fill up the queen-size mattress and hop in the queen-size sleeping bag. Yes, Scott and I shared a queen-size sleeping bag.
No barriers.
No barriers. I'll just say that, right? Am I right?
Yeah.
Oh, I hope our wives don't see this.
Here we are in Jackson, Wyoming. Clint's hooked himself into a fish. Just put on a size 14 stimulator. Stimulated that fish right out of the water. Look at that pole bend.
No monster.
Whoa. Huh. Got some fight to him. Looks like he's gonna land this one. Yep.
We're on the Snake River here in Wyoming. Jackson Hole, to be precise. Scotty's got himself a monster. Good, keep him in this calm stuff. Don't let him get in those rapids. Keep him coming. Gonna have to pause this one.
Oh, look at that guy. Look at that guy.
Sweet doggy. Here, get him out of the water a little bit.
Oh my God.
That's a cat. That's a cutthroat.
I cut its throat.
No, it's a cutthroat. Look at that. The red.
But I cut its throat.
Listening to the music in your
Sweet.
mind. Are you sitting on the back porch with a smile on your face? Are you pushing the clouds away, finding peace in your mind? Sitting on the back porch.